Hi there. As you can see, I've got a brand new Osmo Pocket there in front, and you can see the size of it. It's awesome. I've done a video, a little bit about the Osmo Pocket. There's a link on the screen, so if you want to check out my thoughts on the Osmo Pocket. And one of the things that I thought about was purchasing the expansion pack. It's a kit that comes together. As you can see, you have a wireless adapter, you have the holder, and also you have the control with the scrolling device. So we're going to have a look at those in a second. And it also comes with a 32 gig memory card, which will just about cope with me to begin with. I think the saving by doing the expansion pack was about £30 rather than buying these separately. So as you can see, everything is tiny, it's in there. I'm going to take them out one at a time so we can have a proper look at them. So here is our scrolling control. And this will fit, we take out here, and this will fit nicely in there. So I'm going to go do a video of playing around with that, and there will be a link at the end of this video and in the description below. Now we also have here our holder, and this has the standard adapter on the back. So if you've got GoPro attachments, if you've got sort of a standard selfie stick attachment, that means you can attach that there. So that's pretty useful. That is going to be useful, and that will clip around there. So we've got that secure. And the other adapter, for my usage, what I was looking for, this is the wireless adapter. So if you want to stand the camera up, let's bob this in. It connects into the USB-C port at the bottom, and we can now control it from our iPhone. So we don't have to have our iPhone physically connected to the device to control the camera. So that's really good if you want to put it in a point, you want to zoom in, you want to scroll from a distance, or if you're making a selfie video, that's a good attachment. So I'm pretty sure this expansion pack is going to be very useful. One thing it doesn't come with is the USB-C to a 3.5mm adapter, although the camera obviously has a built-in microphone. To use an external microphone, you need the USB-C to 3.5 jack. Now on the website, it's £35. That seems an awful lot of money. I've done a bit of Googling, and you can pick up a USB-C 3.5 jack for about £10 on Amazon. Now I've purchased one of those, so I'm going to test that out, and there'll be an update coming up to this video. So do subscribe to the channel, do click the bell for those updates. I'm also taking the Osmo away with me next week, and I'm going to do some footage. It's either Athens or Istanbul, haven't decided yet. It's time to get on the internet and find the best deal. That footage I'll put up so you can see what the actual Osmo does. So if you think about it, comparing it to the Osmo 2, which I have purchased, which is a great bit of kit, but you see the size difference. You have actually got to carry kit around with you, and equally you have to give up your mobile phone for the camera. Now I know there's a big price difference, but I'm going to be messing about with both of them. So do subscribe, do update, and you can see what's going on. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.